Hello. I'm Nady, Marketing Nativo's virtual assistant. I want to tell you how to make a payment with a Stripe link. First, ask for the link to your Nativo's sales assistant. Click on the link or copy and paste it in the URL input on your favorite browser. Add your mail, credit or debit card info, whole name, country, and phone number. Click on the Pay button. Tell your Nativo sales assistant and send the voucher. Congratulations! You just make your payment.